As a project manager of a decentralized, organized enterprise, Michael has to react to many different error messages reaching him via different channels at all times. The coordination and administration of branches, as well as external service providers, are very complex and deficient. Michael is in despair. Instead of the old complex manual and expensive processes, he requires an efficient and informative streamlined solution. Structured, transparent, and automated operational processes in order to save costs. That's exactly what Omis 4.0 by Fashang offers, a cloud-based maintenance solution for the administration of all objects and assets. All information is gathered in a structured manner in a central location and passed on to the right contact partner. Via the cloud, Michael and his colleagues can access all gathered data, even from a mobile device. Simple acquisition of tickets, intelligent distribution, fast solutions, since all relevant information is available to the right contact partners. That is Omis 4.0 by Fashang. Call us for a personal live presentation.